Good job. Okay, so now let's talk about Sarah and Ben's tennis club and swimming club. Okay, so in this part, I would like to ask you some questions about Sarah because I don't know anything about Sarah, right? But you do. Are you ready? Okay, so what day does Sarah go to her tennis club? And what time does she go there? 4:30 p.m. And where is her tennis club? And how long does she play or practice in her tennis club? 2 rounds. Wow, so what is her teacher's name? Very good. Now you are going to ask me some question about dance. He goes there every Friday. Swimming practice. Very good. He goes there at 5:15 p.m. His swimming club is in the sports center. It takes 1 hour. His teacher's name is Mrs. Crow. Okay, so in this part, we are going to make the story. Okay, Peter. So as you can see, this story is called The Kitten. Nick, and this boy is Nick, right? It's a best or better sunny day, and Ben opened the door to go out, and she or he saw a kitten outside his house. Now, Ben is so surprised. Please tell the story in picture 2, 3, 4, and 5. In picture 2, the boy is okay, very good. So grandma gives him a present. Are they happy? Are they happy? Very good. Now let's talk about your school. What time do your lesson starts at school?
It's
7. 7. At 7. So how do you travel to school, Peter?
by
By bike. Wow. So what is your favorite subject at school? Month. Okay. So how many children are there in your class? There are 35 children. So tell me about what you do after school. After school. After school, yes, I go home. Okay, I go home and watch TV. And watch